let's start testing on some of these lights. I'm going to start, the C9's are on top this year. Well, they usually are on the box, storage box. So I've got some of the bulbs in, some of them are the swirl flames, and I don't leave those in there. I've got tons of these, so it doesn't bother them too much. Let's see how many of them light up. About 90 volts there will be plenty to test. I don't see any burned out on this strand, but as we go on and I populate the light strands, we'll probably encounter some burnouts. This strand ends right at the middle of the carport on the Grand Marquis side. So those look to be good. I beg my pardon, I did leave the swirl flames in. This is the section that goes from the motion light on the corner of the house over to this bulb. This starts at this set starts or ends at the middle of the Grand Marquis and goes all the way around and plugs in by the 81 Chevy. So let's see what this one does. This is in the LED free zone, virtually LED free zone. So that's why it's got a lot of incandescent bulbs in it. Let's plug it in and see what happens. See how many bulbs are burned out. About 90 volts there. I think we're good to go here. Got some peeling paint on that bulb. There's a old GE bulb, ceramic bulb. I've got a new plan for this year. I've got certain, like Westinghouse bulbs, I'm going to do one side of that, one side swirl flame, and then one side will be the GE bulbs. I think that'll look pretty good. Not 100% sure on these. I might have used these on top of the house. I'll just have to think on it a minute. Obviously they had the LED True Tones in them because there's not any bulbs in them. Those are too expensive to leave the bulbs in them, so I take those out. And this strand goes above the bedrooms and doesn't have very many bulbs in it. And looks like we got some bulbs burned out. So what the deal was, there's two strands here together. I didn't realize it, but looks like I got a green bulb out there. Go ahead and swap that out. That one has become detached from the base, unfortunately. So a simple bulb change and that green one is good to go. So excellent.